The Roosevelt School District Governing Board unanimously voted to seek a $150 million bond to meet the needs of our community, attract new students, and retain current ones. This is an opportunity for RSD students to learn in a safe, secure, modern buildings with proper technology, supporting high-quality instruction. The bonds will fund several capital projects, including construction, renovation classrooms, modernization, safety, and security improvements, technology upgrades, and new student transportation. This is not an M&O budget override that affects the local tax rate. There is no anticipated tax increase with this proposed bond. The estimated average annual bond tax rate per $100 of assessed valuation is $0.7247. Visit the Bond 2024 webpage to learn more. Together, we are building a culture of performance.